Hello, welcome back. And sorry, I look white or crusty or whatever. My friend is talking on the phone. I'm waiting for her to finish so that I'll film this intro.
So you know how you go.
Hello. God, it's been long. I actually filmed a video. You're welcome back and to my YouTube channel. Now this is weird. I feel weird filming and you're here. You're listening to what I'm saying. My friend is here, Marvelous. She's naked. She would have said hi. Should I remove it? Okay, yeah, that's her face. Thanks. Stay for thanks. Sorry I look like this, but I think our relationship status at this point should be still finished because there's nothing else. If I've seen me finish. So this is, I don't know if it's the start of a new vlog or the end of another vlog, but I want to assume this is the start of a new vlog. Hopefully an update will go up first. Welcome back if you're new. Hello, my name is Plangdes. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. Yes, so this is the start of a new vlog, as I've said, and I'm hoping this goes well. Yeah, so this whole vlog will begin to make more sense, I think, after the update goes live. I've been filming, but I've just not edited or posted in a while because a lot is going on. You should probably check out my live updates somewhere here. And yeah, the first thing I want to do, the only thing I want to do right now is show you this package. This is from Lola's thrift store. Hey girl, hey dummy. I've not actually brought it out. This came in today. I ordered it a while, some time ago. Her delivery is really swift. Sorry, Marvelous is talking in the background. Her delivery is really swift, but like it was with a friend, so the person was just keeping it until we got in touch or in contact before I was able to collect it. But must shout out to you. Thank you for getting this to us. Yes,
and so this is the packaging. Thank you, Badmos.
Yours. So Marvelous ordered some stuff, but it's only Plangdes that is the YouTuber here that has to be showing before she opens or touch anything. So yeah, this is my friend's address. Check her out on Instagram. She sells is thrift wears, but like they are beautiful pieces. Like I kind of feel, not kind of, I already know that I'm going to love them. Fingers crossed, amen. But Lola's thrift store, her phone number, everything, I'm going to put it on the screen. Please check her out on Instagram. Baby girl is my friend. She's my sister. I ordered three pieces from her. So this is a dress. Yeah, it's white, and this is okay. The other one, there's a skirt and a dress in here. So the yellow one is a dress, while the green one is a skirt, while this is also a dress. So I'm going to try it on, but I don't know if I want to try it on camera or not. But even though this is thrift, she actually sterilizes, like she washes, decontaminates, iron, and all that. So it's very clean. Just all you have to do is just buy and wear and be good. You don't have to do any laundry. All those thrift wears that you don't have to wash. That means that she was going to put notes for me inside. Oh gosh, what rubbish. This is all the notes. Sticky notes. Hello. We've been friends for all these years and it's only sticky notes you're sending me. Guys, y'all should expect sticky notes and cute notes in your packages. But for me, I expected something deep. I was thinking it was going to be like a long sheet of paper or something. Okay, dear Plangdes, let me show you guys. My girl with the cute handwriting here. That's the note. Dear Plangdes, thank you for choosing Lola's thrift store. We hope you love your package and you shop for more. Let's know your honest reviews. I miss you. Oh, I didn't even know like she wanted a review, but look at me doing this for my girl. Xoxo Lola's thrift store. Why are you making it official, girl? Send me more personal notes. I'm not accepting this rubbish. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my hair, I think I want to clean my camera. Sorry, I'm not in the video. So I'm contemplating between this or this. Which one? Marvelous, I think I want this straight one.
Okay.
It looks less ghetto. Anyways, Mavi is here again. You guys are going to be seeing her more often. And quickly, we have our convocation. Our convocation is on Sunday. This is a whole lot of explanation because our set is 2020, but we're convocating 2021. It's just our department. We are sorry. So I did my makeup myself. Guys, what is this? What is this? MUA or what? Anyways, I wanted to unbox this quickly before I go out. This is Hairs by Abby. Is it Hairs? Yes, Hairs by Abby. Her details. Yup.
She made a note for you.
Oh? Yeah, not a note. It's just my name that is on it. She just wrote Plangdes because I think she was delivering more than one hair on that day. And I gave her. I actually had the wig already, but the person that made it, oops, fell out. Let me put it back. Let's go back. Rewind. Ta-da! Yes. Please don't mind me. I gave her my wig to lose. I had made it, but it was too full. The cap was too tight. A lot was going on. I hated it. So I gave her one of the new bundles. It's somewhere in one of my vlogs. Hopefully I would remember to link it somewhere up here. And she rewigged it for me. Then she called this one. She's making 2 wigs. The second wig she's making for me is going to be bobbed. So yes, I'm hoping that. Oh, it looks like I think I will like this hair already. Okay, it looks beautiful here. Even me, I like it. Then guys, closure is expensive. Damn, closure is. I bought this one for like 12k. Like now is more than that. I don't have money. So, and then it was like a 4-part closure also. So she just cuts it into 2. We did the other half. She's making the other wig for me. Yours. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. Yes, it makes it so easier to wear. Okay, I think I'm doing my photo shoot with this hair. I didn't ever have plans of wearing this hair. I was thinking of wearing that with a straight hair, maybe. But it looks like
It looks beautiful. When did you get
it does.
I like the back. I like how.
God, she did a good job. That other hair was too full, like almost too full. Okay,
So
I feel different.
yes.
God, I feel different. I don't know how to act. I feel like I look different because see, finish is disturbing us on this channel. All of a sudden, like, look at me looking like a babe. I'm coming. Let me turn back.
See the back of the hair.
I like that it's not full. Like, I've really wanted a scanty hair. Guys, are you serious? Should I comb it out? Are you sure I'm supposed to comb it?
Yes, your hair is scattered. It's everywhere.
Are you serious?
Comb it gently.
Okay. Hey, God. See she called this and she's going to bob the other one. Hopefully. Guys, are you serious? Hey, God. And Miss Olale said she wanted to see the hair. So this is the hair. Oh, Bolu, I love my hair. Thank you so much. Damn it. Hey, God. Oh. God when. I actually love it. I do. I love the color. I like that it's so black. Oh, it's just like short, you know.
Short hair looks good on
It does. I really like long hair. Okay. But Bolu, you did a good job. Please check out Hairs by Abby. I recommend any day, anytime. Please, Bolu, start selling hair so that we'll not have to buy our own weave and send to you to wig. Guys, check out Hairs by Abby. She also makes braided wigs and all that. There's something inside. Ooh, apparently I have a card. This is cute. Let's read it together. Hairs by Abby. Let me show you guys. This is so cute. So thank you, Queen. Oh, thank you, baby. So dear Plangdes, this is the note. You're a queen, you're beautiful, and you deserve every beautiful hair to complement your beauty. Perfect time to try this hair on. Thank God I did not try it on when I look like well. Thank you once again for choosing Hairs by Abby to beautify you. Please don't forget to leave a review or tag us on social media. Love you too. Hairs by Abby. Thank you. Yeah, so you guys, please, I recommend her any day, anytime. 100%. A babe and more. Meanwhile, let me go for my photo shoot. My convocation is on Sunday. It's gonna be, I should bounce it. Ooh, yes, guys, this is it. She called it. Like, she did a good job. And she's very affordable, guys. She did. Like, this thing that's just making me happy. The fact that the other wig cap was so tight. Like, she actually sewed this round. Like, Bolu, thank you so much. Thank you. Love it. So as I was saying, my convocation is on Sunday and we have a photo shoot now. Our appointment is supposed to be by 12. What's the time now?
12:14.
12:14. Ah, it's past 12. You guys, catch you there. This is the major celebrant. Ooh, thank you.
You are just the assistant celebrant.
I think this is somebody's room. I'm not supposed to be making videos.
Dirty mirror. Where's the brush?
Think about the lip gloss, please. Yeah, done. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. My friend likes Igbo boys, by the way. If you're an Igbo boy, her name is Marvelous. What's your phone number? Let me put it on the screen. So guys, in this life, it's not easy. Adulting is not easy. It's not for the weak-hearted. Stay in your father's house. Don't move out. It is a trap. Stay in your father's house. Anyways, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Plangdes. Sorry, I'm eating and talking at the same time because I can. So I just got back from work. It's past 6:30 to 7. It's still kind of bright, so thank you for that. I just got back from work and I just wanted to see something. So I thought the last time I vlogged was when I was going for my photo shoot. Excuse my manners. And yeah, I took my convocation pictures. I'm going to put them on the screen. And the package I paid for comes with a frame. Okay, this is my frame and my friend's frame. But I think I'm just going to show you guys my own because I'm not sure. I'm supposed to show you somebody else's own, but this is me. This is me. Tell me congratulations in the comments, but oh, I love it. So I'm going to put the photographer's handle, IG handle. His page was actually hacked, so he's still all over again on the screen because I recommend his services. In Abeokuta, by the way. Oh, you can always reach him, especially Babcock students. If you have any photo shoot and all that, he's in Ogun State, so you can always reach him. And he's affordable as well. So yeah, hey, excuse me, but this is it, guys. This is it. I sent my mommy the pictures and she really loved them. She was like, they're so fine, they're so pretty, you're so pretty. I'm like, stop it. Anywho, I like my frame and I'm so glad I was able to get this picture. I really wanted a frame for like my graduation, like BSc graduation. My induction, I didn't take pictures at all. Just a few pictures I took on my phone. So I knew that I wanted to leverage on this opportunity so that I will have pictures that I will keep for the future and for reference purposes. Do we look alike? Look at that. Okay, but I like it. Honestly, I do like it. It's pretty. My friend Mavi is in the background, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next part of this vlog. Meanwhile, guys, I'm still trying to think of what I'm going to do to my hair. Please, let's do this because I don't know how else to set my camera, but when we figure it out, we'll do something about it. But for now, this is all I wanted to show you guys. I really like it. So yeah, thank you. So let me do my hair and I'll catch you guys in the next part of this vlog. Peace and love. Happy Sunday. The vlog.
My calm face. You know my real face.
Maybe I've not slept since yesterday. Why? I slept like a princess. So the gist is, we went to church and church was almost over when we got there. Apparently we normally go for the third service. Last week we didn't go because it was our convocation. And today we went to church by 10:30 because that's the normal third service time, youth and single service. And then when we got to church, we realized that today was a combined service. So service started by 9 and we got to church when it was almost over. So we just did the walk of shame and left. But we are here eating, excuse me, there's somebody behind me. But we are here eating lunch. We just had, but you're so cute. Damn it. So I had ofada rice and the stew with egg. The stew is meat all over though, while Marvelous had spaghetti jollof and beef. She eats all the weirdest combinations. Excuse my lighting situation. So I want to make my hair today as well because I'm tired of this. And outfit of the day is, catch you guys.